Hello everybody! Today we're going to take a close-up look at the Eastpak Jr. So let's go ahead and take a look. So this is the Eastpak Jr. It is a messenger bag, and this one is in black denim or grey. Just taking a look at the details front and back of the messenger bag. And there are a couple of hang tags on it. Let's take a look at the hang tags. Front and back. And taking a closer in look at the product hang tag for this Eastpak Jr. messenger bag in denim black. And taking a look at the other hang tag with information about the 30 years limited global warranty that comes with it, and there is some very fine print in various languages about the warranty. Okay, so the messenger bag measures 33 centimeters lengthwise, 24 centimeters tall, and 11 centimeters deep. And to give you some sense of the size of this Eastpak Jr, just placing my hand over the front of the bag. And as you can see, it's overall grey colour, and taking a closer in look at the details, so you can see the mixture of black and white making up the overall grey colour of this bag. And you can see that there is an Eastpak patch on the flap or cover of the messenger bag. And taking a look at the other details. So it does have an adjustable padded shoulder strap, but first let's take a look at the back. So taking a close-up look at the details of the back of this messenger bag. As you can see, just a plain and flat back side of the messenger bag, and now just puffing it slightly into shape. So once again, it does have an 11 centimeter depth and a 390 gram weight and 11.5 litre capacity. So just puffing it out further so you can see its details a bit more clearly. So right there with the sides puffed up to give you a better idea of the shape and overall dimensions of this Eastpak Jr. Okay, so now let's go ahead and take a look at the buckle fasteners. So there are a couple of buckle fasteners, and they are Eastpak branded, as you can see, molded onto the buckles with a raised design. So right there, the two buckles, and of course we can see that the straps are adjustable there. Let's open them up and giving you a look right here at the inner panel of this Eastpak Jr. And there are two separate compartments with stitching running in the middle to separate them. So right there, giving you a look at the two compartments, and I'm just fisting the two pockets right there to give you an idea of the size of them. And we can see that there is a zipper for the main compartment, keeping it closed right there. And taking a close-up look, we can see that the slider tab is Eastpak branded as well, and there is a cord attached to it. So a metal slider tab right there, and we of course have the plastic or ABS buckle fasteners at the front for the main flap. And now let's go ahead and slide the slider across and open it up to its maximum aperture or opening. So right there, giving you a look directly inside this Eastpak Jr. And we can see the shoulder strap tucked away inside, so just popping it out and giving you a look at the inner compartment. So it is lined and water resistant, so giving you a look right there, so you can see better right there with some light going into the body of the messenger bag. And to give you some idea, once again placing my hand inside of this bag, so remember 11 centimeters from back to front. So giving you a look right there as best I can given the dark conditions inside of the bag, but you can see it does have an overall water resistant lining inside of it. So the bag, it is 100% nylon, so it is vegan friendly. And just taking a look at the inner labels or tags right there, so you can see there is the Eastpak holographic foil right there, and 2 tags right there, so giving you a look at the details that are on it front and back as best I can. So let's hold that apart so you can see the details of the other tag front and back. So once again, giving you a look at the overall details from a different perspective now from the side. So right there. And of course there is the hanger for the shoulder strap. So giving you a look at, once again, the details right there with the stitching and the plastic hanger or loop. And on the opposite side, already one side of the adjustable padded shoulder strap already clipped or fastened onto it, so just going to give you a better look right there. But obviously right now it is secured with a very small zip tie on one side, so right there. Nonetheless, the main clip is fastened and giving you of course a look at the shoulder strap itself. So right there is the shoulder strap, and you can see the padding that's on it. Or in it, and just squeezing on the shoulder strap so you have some idea of the level of padding and the firmness of the padding. And of course, once again, to give you some sense of the size again, and for some perspective, with the shoulder strap in my palm, and of course my hand resting on the inner panel at the front of this Eastpak Jr. And now taking a closer in look at the adjustable shoulder strap. It's right there. Once again, you see the same consistent texture and details making up this overall design for the textile or fabric, which is black denim or a very dark grey. Okay, and of course taking a look at the underside of the shoulder strap, we can see that it is coated with some wear resistant material, which is slightly rough for grip, of course, but of course with the material providing durability and wear. You can see on the outer or upper side is the nylon itself. And let's hook up the other clip of the adjustable shoulder strap to the other hoop. And let's take a look at the underside, of course, of the flap for the backpack or shoulder bag. So taking a look at the underside of the flap of the shoulder bag, we can see once again the lining that's on it, and taking a much closer in look, there's some very fine texture to it, and of course the buckle attached or stitched to it. It's right there giving you a look at the Eastpak Jr. And of course, almost forgot to show you the inner zippered pocket or compartment. It's right there inside of the main compartment, and it does go somewhat halfway right there, as you can see the outline or the stitching going in a rectangular shape. And it is also once again lined, and there is some padding in the main or back panel of this messenger bag. Okay, so let's zip everything together, all closed, and buckling or fastening the buckle of this Eastpak Jr. And of course giving you a look at the inner or back of this messenger bag. So there is a thin level of padding on this complete back or inside panel of this messenger bag. Okay, so once again, overall dimensions 33 centimeters across that way, 24 centimeters tall, and 11 centimeters deep. So they're giving you an overall look further out of this Eastpak Jr. in black denim. and its overall details with the plastic fixings or hardware, the two front compartments, the main metal zipper and slider, and of course another Eastpak zipper and slider for the inner zippered compartment, and of course the back panel padding, and that's the only padding that can be found in this messenger bag. So they're giving you a more complete look with the shoulder strap behind resting on the tabletop. So that's the Eastpak Jr. Thanks for watching and happy carrying.